The little subheading is reducing before you multiply. And let me put in bold, beautiful letters, probably the most important thing here. When you talk about rates, this is one of the heavy hitters. Labels are important. And labels can be cross-canceled. And you need to have at least 3 exclamation points for that. No more, no, we could have more, I guess. And I will show you what I mean here shortly. Exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. Are you ready? Prepare to be excited about math one more time. Here's the problem. Multiply 55 miles per hour by 6 hours. Write this out in words. Multiply 55 miles per hour. What did I say? By something.
6 hours.
By 6 hours. Everybody with me? Don't lose me here. Big one. I mentioned next year's hard math.
Yes.
You need to get this because this comes up a lot in the hard math world. First things first, how do I write 55 miles per hour mathematically? Usually when you see it on a car or in a magazine or in a book, they write it like this, MPH, but that's not the mathematical what we do. Mathematically, Brooke, it is,
Miles over hour.
right, the word per means fraction line, so you end up with 55 miles per hour, which means 1 hour. Means your rate is you're going 55 miles for every 1 hour. Now, I am multiplying this by what? 6 hours. So it looks like this times 6 hours. Since this is a fraction, I'm going to make this a fraction. And here's what of which I speak. Okay, labels can be cross-canceled. That's what you have to look for. If I have the label hour on top and the label hour on the bottom, they go away because it's like having a 6 and a 6. If there was a 6 on bottom, I can cross-cancel them out, they go away. Same thing with labels. I can multiply 6 times 55, which is 330, and the only label I have left is miles, which only makes sense because if you're going 55 miles per hour and you go for 6 hours, you're going to travel 330 miles. You're not traveling 330 hours. You're not going 330 miles per hour. Those labels cross off, and you're left with what's left, 330 miles. Gasp of relief, I see. You say, give me another one. Multiply 5 feet by 12 inches per foot. 5 feet by 12 inches per foot. So changing the English sentence into a mathematical phrase, I guess, I take 5 feet. Since this is going to end up being a fraction, I'm going to make this a fraction and put it over 1. What does this look like? How do you write 12 inches per foot? Again, the word per is the fraction line, so it is 12 inches per, and it doesn't have a 1 there, but you know it's per 1 foot. So what's gonna happen, Alex?
You're gonna cross cancel, the 5 feet and the 1 feet.
Well, just the
Crossing
feet,
out
not
the
just the labels. The 5 and the 1 are gonna stay. Feet on top and feet on bottom go away because they're identical, top and bottom. Then you can actually do your multiplication. 5 times 12 is
60
60. What labels left?
inches.
And you could do over 1, but it doesn't really matter because anything over 1 is itself. 5 feet times 12 inches over 1.
You are ready, children, for me to give you one here.
Yeah.
How about this? Multiply 18 teachers by 29 students per teacher.
Multiply 18 teachers by, what did I say, 29?
29 students per teacher.
29 students per teacher.
See if you can at least make some sort of heads or tails out of that.
Didn't give minutes. Logan is telling me,
522.
well, let's check and see how. 18 teachers over 1. And I'm multiplying that by 29 students per teacher. So the labels teachers go away. You multiply 29 times 18, which is 72, 7, 16, 23, 29, 2, 2. Is that right? 522?
Yes.
So you end up with 522. The only label left is students. Gosh, I think you've got it, by Joe.